We are all set up and ready to rock and roll, Team Bull. We are ready to rock and we are ready to roll. Let's do this. There we go. All right. All right, there we go. Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's up, What's up, Grizzly Glock? Good morning. What's up, Team Bull Familia? What's going on? What's up, bro? How you doing? I'm not seeing a whole lot that I love either. Tesla not seeing a lot. NVIDIA could see a higher low bounce in this 179 area in terms of a daily perspective. We had that bounce off 176 yesterday. It's possible. All right, there we go. Let's get this money today. We got to put the glasses on. The glasses are on. We're ready to make some money. Yesterday was a good trading day. That was solid. You paper handed those shorts, bro. Okay, that thing, it really ended up dumping yesterday. Let's get everything set up here. I got my coffee, did my morning reading, did my morning sauna. Well, I didn't sit in the sauna for very long today, but I did get in, did my reading. Got my reading done. That's what matters. Yeah, you're usually at the gym early, Grizzly Glock. Had some things to do. You know what? Sometimes you got to sacrifice for the grind. Me too, man. These are my victory hours. Yeah, this neuro gum. I got some of it right here. I actually really like it. What? Neuro, Neuro gum. I actually really like it. I'll send you a picture. I like the mint one, though. I have the cinnamon one in front of me, but I personally like the mint one more. Personally, it's my preference. What's up? K80 the artist. Hey, thank you for using code Jdun. Good luck on your evals. Remember, you can be a little bit more aggressive on evals. Just make sure with that live trailing drawdown, you're taking profits on the way up. I don't think there's echo, bro. I think it's probably on your end, my friend. I could be wrong, but usually when someone says there's echo, it's on their end. Just try turning off and rejoining the live. Hey, yep, daily stream. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, YouTube. We caught a banger yesterday. That was a sick trade. And we paper handed it in terms of how far we ended up going for the day. But that was a sick trade. Don't. The market was in the ICU yesterday. All right, let's get all of this set up. As a reminder, everybody, choose discipline over dopamine today. That's what you come for every day. You come for good trades, for patience, for a systematic approach, and for, of course, discipline over dopamine. For once, I want to hear you say what you're going to take and do. I hear people tell you what to do all the time. What's agreement 3? What is agreement 3? Don't take anything personally. I encourage you to go watch yesterday's live, or the day before that, or every live from the past week, or 2 weeks, or 3 weeks, or 4 weeks, or 5 weeks, and just tell me what you observe. Chat, do I never call out trades? Do I only take trades from other people? Let the chat give the verdict. Never, Jdun. Never. I never call trades. Never. Of course not. No, people just... We have like 10,000 plus viewers every day because I just don't call trades. I'm just giving him a fun time. We have grace with him. Glasses and hat equals winning trade. Yep. We'll put it forward if we need to. If need be, we'll put it forward. Long story short, Shane, I do have a team that trades with me, but I also, if I take a trade, I give it to you live. So win, lose, or draw. Win, lose, or draw, it's live. I don't win every trade. It was funny though yesterday. I only take your trades so that I can lose all the profits of my own trades the rest of the day. You're funny, bro. Hey, I appreciate y'all being here and liking this live. YouTube, take a second. There's almost 200 of y'all here so far. Hit that like button on the live. It means the absolute world to me. I'm going to do my absolute best, as I did yesterday, to catch you guys a banger. And I like seeing them likes running up. Let's get this puppy above 200 likes today. Come on. Come on now. What you want? Grizzly Glock. What's the main watch for today? I'm getting the coffee ingested now. Have I called anything, sir or ma'am? Okay, sir. The market isn't open yet. Come on now. I mean, I guess you can trade pre-market, so I'll give you that, but that's not something that I usually do. I almost never trade pre-market, almost never. And I really never trade Asia session. I have no interest in ever trading Asia. I just have none. The cash. Oh, wow. It's time for us to hit a nice big old Team Bowl style banger today. I'd love to get a nice 1 hour work day. Call it a day early. I'd love nothing more. I mean, there's things I would love more, but that's on the top of the list for today. Certainly on the top of the list for today. Most certainly. We got 3 minutes till open, y'all. Three minutes until open, everybody. Make sure you guys have your accounts ready. Make sure you're in the right mindset. Do your mental check-in. How are you feeling today? Have you had anything come up this morning? Do you have any events later? Are you anxious? Are you feeling impulsive? Are you feeling ready to execute? Do you know how many contracts you're going to be trading? What's your maximum loss limit for the day? These are all things that you have to ask yourself when going into battle and trading. And if you're feeling like crap, then you know you probably shouldn't put risk on today. How did you sleep last night? Did you sleep well? If you didn't sleep well, you probably shouldn't put risk on either. Sniper said, I'm still sleepy, bro. Freeze time for me so I can sleep 1 more hour. Well, just let yourself wake up a little bit. Let yourself wake up for the next 30 minutes, 45 minutes. Speaking of waking up, I think Sleeping Beauty's here. What's up, Sleeping Beauty?
No, Mom, miss.
You like those pumpkins I sent you this morning?
Yeah, those are cool.
You think I'm funny?
Huh?
Said you think I'm funny?
Yeah, you're funny. You're pretty funny.
Someone said my cute little Mexican has arrived.
Who said that? Brandon's mom?
Brandon's mom?
That's what she called me.
She did, huh?
That's what she called me.
Gene's early with his pumpkin spice latte. A side of creamer. He just flipped me off. He flipped me off from afar. The queen has arrived. All right, we got 30 seconds till open. 30 seconds till open, y'all. Let's get it. Trade smart, trade safe. All right, let's get dialed in. Which way we heading? We got to ask the YouTube. Let's get our pull up. Which way we heading? Bullish, up, bearish, down. As a reminder, guys, if you want to trade futures with me today, you can use code Jdun with Apex, Tradeify, or the Funded Futures family. If you're on the YouTube, you can click in the description and get links to all 3 of those. Use code Jdun, get yourself the best discount possible, and let's get it. Go get your funded account, and I will do my absolute best to help you get paid out today. Jdun always brings the discipline and gives us banger trades. You got it, baby. Come on now. I'm gonna get. Oh, I don't have screen share active in Team Bowl. Sorry, guys. There we go. It's crazy. There was a day where we didn't have screen share. There was a time when there was no screen share every day. How could we? How dare I? Where's Mr. Greg today? I haven't checked. He's MIA. We really have came a long way. We really have, bro. All right, let's see. As far as the NASDAQ goes today, let's go here and see. I would still love to see more downside personally. I'm not saying that's what's going to happen, but that's what I would prefer to see, a nice lower high in this previous daily candle. And then a flush below 24,800. That's what I would ideally like to see. Yo, what's up, Baze D? If you'd like to join the Discord, you can message me on Instagram at Jdun Trades. You can message me on IG. If you go to my story and reply free, it should automatically send you a link. If you go to any story that I have and reply free. I'm not sure where Grizzly is. Oh. Someone was asking where you were. I said, I don't know. Where's your demand? Kind of looks like a short-term top is in low key. I mean, this market has been resilient to a lot, but we'll see how today's candle closes. Today's daily will have a large impact. Oh my gosh, 100-point orb. Literally, we're at about 70 right now. You locked out till 8? So you're locked out the first 15 minutes? I thought we were locking out for the first 30, Gene. 15. Bro wants to catch that Jdun 15 minutes in trade. Yeah, Gene, you breaking your rules?
No, I haven't sat down. I bet you sat down. I got my slippers on. I got my coat on. I'm cold.
If you're looking for what prop firm to get, a good one to start off with is Tradeify. Tradeify has both evals and they have straight to funded accounts. I don't recommend you start with straight to funded, but their evals are good too. If you go to tradeify.co, I'll put the website here, and use code JDUN for 35% off. Good place to start. Just trade one account. You can buy up to 5, but you don't need to do that. Learn the basics first. Learn what a prop firm is. Learn what the rules are, and then you can scale up over time. What is my wake up time? 5 a.m. Ball like I won a championship game. Also, each and every one of you guys on stream better be registered for my 3-day masterclass. You all better be registered. It's going to be a game changer October 6th, 7th, and 8th. I pinned it in the YouTube as well. It takes a few seconds, guys. Go put in your name, email, and get your name on the list. 6-7. What's wrong with y'all, bro? I still don't understand. I don't know. Maybe it's because I'm almost 30 years old. I don't know.
I don't understand.
I'm 6'7" in height, and I still don't understand. Like, I'm actually 6'7", and I still don't get it. Is the joke about me? You're talking about me? All right, bet. I'm honored. This actually looks like a decent reject spot. It's too early for me to trade, but it looks... Thinking about it, bro. This actually looks like a decent reject spot up here, but it's too early in the day for me. We're gonna get low day. Yeah, the midpoint of that candle. Trust me, I know, bro. Ouch. Hurts. Hurts. It's like a Hurts donut. Hurts. Donut. Where's Greg? He's like Yoda. I don't know where Greg is this morning. He hasn't said anything. He's probably working. He's probably working. Out barreling oil. Yeah, he works in oil. What do you say, Gene? I tell him to bring us some oil. I need that oil money, baby. Like the Saudis, yep. They got the oil money big time. I want the oil money, and Grizzly wants to be oiled up. What? Oh, sorry, wrong group chat. Wrong voice chat, sorry. That's after hours. That's after hours, guys. My apologies. You grow it, baby. Lumberjack Grizz. This is a wild orb. It's going to be big. I am watching ES. Yep, that's on the right. Why is this? There we go. We're gonna mark out our levels. All right, get this marked out. Oh, whoops, that's not the right level. Why do I have the 1 minute chart on? Struggling with that pre-market low. See if we keep pushing down. Feeling good from that workout yesterday, Gene. That was nice. We've been hitting it hard. We've been hitting it real hard. Do we have data this morning? New home sales. Sometimes that'll move us randomly, like just for no reason. We'll get a real nice move off it. That and like ISM services, just random. Random nukers. We're 2 minutes away from having our 15-minute range in as well. What you thinking? Grandma, what do you think? Longs or shorts today? Shorts? All right, well, Grandma's bias is short, so take that as you will. You don't have to have any idea what I'm talking about. Just know we're riding the shorts. I'll just go rip low day off Grandma's signal. We just die. We need the shorts to pay. Come on, Gma. Oh, why is this NQ again? What up? Well, what, my boy? I know, just chilling. It's on vacation. All right, the range is in. Right between pre-market low and 15-minute low. That's interesting. We need a 10K day today so we can get Graham and the lamb.
10K.
The short entry's up nice. Grandma, your entry's printing. No trades for me yet, guys. Just staying patient. No trades for me yet. Just staying super, super patient. Yep. We need continuation. It's kind of cold today, Gene, huh?
What did you tell me? I'm freezing. It's your fault. Jacob.
I know, it's cold.
Jacob, I mean.
Mr. Gene Cruz. Mr. Gene PSL Cruz.
No.
Grandma said Black Monday incoming. Grandma said we're about to rip down. Should I C6? I'm not a huge fan of Corvettes, to be completely honest with you. Just not my vibe, personally. The old school ones I like. Yeah. I like the old school vets.
Like which ones? Stingers?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, Graham wants a low day, baby. Give Graham a low a day. There she goes. You were right.
She doesn't know what she's right about.
She doesn't know what she's right about, but she was right. Grandma's out here printing bags. Grandma's out here making Team Bull a bag. Out here making Team Bull a bag. Yep, we're gonna give Grandma her own Discord channel, her own voice chat. She's down. Well, she didn't say she was down, but I'll convince her. Still moving down. I see you. Oh my. Hey, Grandma, Grizzly took your call out, made $500. Still moving down. And Grandma's calling better trades than I am. Shit. Literally free fall. Free fall. Well, this actually looks decent for a test back up into this zone. Let's see the high. This is 858. Yeah, if we get a move back up into this area, I'll likely try shorts too. Looking for a trend entry with stops above. Well, there's two options here. I'd like to look for a test back up into the zone for shorts. If we fail this, there's also the possibility where we reject in this 858 to 874 area with stops above 900. So that's also a possibility for us as well. Just give us a little more pop up and I'll try the shorts.
We're touching my demand now, everyone. You can fade me if I take a long way.
Yeah. Well, you can fade me if I take a short.
If it breaks below 24,780, my bounce is invalid. Need to confirm before the.
Grandma's shorts are absolutely nuking. Bro, someone in Team Bowl literally made 2 racks off that.
Are you serious?
Yep. That's wild. Y'all are absolutely absurd, bro. Y'all are absolutely just insane. That is hilarious. Yo, as a reminder, guys, I appreciate you all being here. Make sure you guys tap and hit that subscribe if you're on YouTube and hit that follow button if you are on TikTok. I appreciate you guys being here more than you know. Damn, Grizzly literally went and touched 84 like to a T almost.
780 is my rating valid. Still valid if we confirm here for longs. So it doesn't rip up.
Grandma's shorts got me 900 on a funded, cut 1,200 on 2 evals. Y'all are insane, bro. What's wrong with you guys? Y'all are hilarious. Literally hilarious. As a reminder, we do this every single day. I get on here every single morning, 15 to 20 minutes before market open, and we trade for at least 1 to 2 hours. Make it a part of your daily routine to come, stay focused, stay patient, trade smart, and trade safe with me every day. Appreciate y'all being here more than you know. Hey, that candle's setting up decent for a reversal candle, Grizzly. If we can get a little more follow through.
We closed above 24,803.
I mean, it's getting to the point where, I mean, worst case, if you get that close, you have like a 20-point risk on it, trying it. It's not bad. If we could just close this 5-minute candle right here, that'd be great, huh? Yeah, I'll still likely give it a go if we test up into that range. Yep. I don't hesitate on what you're trading though. Trade your trade. Trade your trade, baby. Trade your trade. Does that make sense? Trade your trade.
If I take longs, 785 would be my stop. 784, 785 if I try.
What do you think, Gene?
I think really small piece of longs.
What?
I think it's really small.
Oh shit, Gene likes the longs too.
For a scalp though.
For a scalp. I'm the crazy one. I still like the shorts on pop up, but I'm crazy.
Close right at that level. Right at it. I'm gonna try light size here, 1-1.
Grizzly tried the longs, everybody down there around. What was the 807? What was your fill? Like 807 or something? 806?
No, I got a horrible fill. I tried to get in at 806 and it pumped up to 810 for my fill.
All right, 806 to 810. Grizzly entered.
806.
The longs.
Trying to get in.
I don't trade crypto futures. I trade S&P 500 and NASDAQ futures. Also options on occasion. I like the shorts too, but that's just me. Grizzlies and the longs. I'm not in any trades right now. I see what he likes, though.
I'm trying to link you on my personal account. You're trading abundant. I'll be good with this. I'm make you. Next trade I take will be on my phone.
If we get this pop into this 15-minute low, I am going to follow my plan and try the shorts. Eight, 10. I'm tempted to start scaling in here, guys. I'd like to see a little higher. I'll let you guys know if I take it. If you guys want a higher risk entry, you can do it around that 820. I'd like to see a pop above 820 and then a failure.
833 area would be ideal for a trade.
We also have news in 2 minutes. We also got news in 2 minutes, too.
Yeah. Put a hard stop in for news.
Yep.
You don't have them already. Put them in.
Yeah, new home sales.
Or you can just stop out your personal process.
Home sales not likely to be bullish. Yeah, but data's weird. Sometimes you get bad data and it will do well, or good data and it'll do horrible for the market. Just depends. Found your YouTube last night and binge watched. Now you're on my For You page. Hey, welcome, fam. We trade live every single day. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. I'm looking at shorts still. We just have data in 1 minute. Yep. Grizzly just said it's your last chance to stop out in profits before data hits if you'd like.
830 area is my first trend spot. We can wait on 833 if you want to be a little greedy, but around that 830.
You have data, otherwise I would for sure try shorts. We have the data, otherwise I'd for sure try shorts right here.
And they're going to sell us off. Push us up. It was up about 15 points, so
I started a light size of shorts, guys. 30 points of risk here. Following my plan. Absolute worst case scenario is above 856. Sorry to fade you, Grizzly.
No worries, man. It's good setup you have.
I'm just following the system.
Where's your stop at on this?
Worst case scenario is 857. So little higher risk for this ad. I'd like to see it moving to like 30-ish area.
That's where I wanted to trim at the 30 range.
If you want a little less risk, just keep your stops above like 840. Or if we get a 5-minute close above the 15-minute low, I'll just stop it early for a smaller loss.
I'm moving my stop up to 810 everyone on entry. I'm not gonna let this go red.
If you want a little less risky entry, you can wait till like 830s and just keep your stops above that. Actually above like 851 probably. Like 851. Love to see a low day out of this.
So anyways, my stop to entry 810. If it's 810, I'll be out of this traded money.
I have my hard stop set at I'm gonna move to pre-market low to 846.
I'm out of entry. Got out of entry everyone. Black trade.
There we go. So far, so good. See if we can get more. We went up almost 20 points there. Let's see if we can get 800. I'm going to move my stops down to 840. At 840 now. So my biggest risk here is about 20 points. I'd like to see a flush below 800. I don't love trading these whole cycle numbers. So just, take that as you will. But it went up 10, 15 points depending on entry. Almost 20 if you got a little better entry up there. I did not trim on that move down. My stops are at 840. So only about 20.
Stop me at the rip. It did.
Oh, it didn't stop me there. I'm still in. I looked over for a second. I was like, is that going to stop me?
Bro, stop me out by 5.
I'm still in at my stop's at 840. Still in. That is about as close as it gets. I did not trim on that first 15-point move down. I did not trim. I didn't get my full size, so there was no scalping opportunity for me. I did not trim on that. So if I get stopped out at 840, I will be 0 for 1 on the day. It didn't make sense from a risk-reward perspective. If I would have had a lot of size on and scalping, then maybe, but not for me.
I could go back and put my stop in 24.02.
Oh, it got my stop, guys. It got my stop at 840. It's honestly looking like a decent reversal candle here, too. It got my stop at 840, everybody. If we get a confirming candle, then maybe we look for a re-entry, but I'm not gonna stick with it. So we'll be 0 for 1. I didn't end up trimming on that 15-point move down. I wanted to see below 800. And I just got stopped out at 840. 0 for 1. Sorry, fellas. I thought that was going to get more continuation. I really had high hopes. I had high hopes for it. I'm sorry I didn't make it go for 20, 30 plus points. NQ failed us. It's also why I don't love shorting those those whole psych numbers. Wow, I swear if it just completely reverses now, that's going to be foul, bro. If it goes and sleeps me at 8:40, that's going to be so foul, bro. Ain't no way. Ain't no way, bro. Ain't no way, dog.
I don't know, like it want to continue up there, but it hit that pre-market low, rejecting hard, pretty good for the current day.
That 5-minute looks like a nice reversal candle. The higher volume, close above the 15-minute low. I'm still open to re-entry. Just has to make sense with the system.
I mean, why can't this give us that 30 area before?
Yeah, no. If they really went up and wicked my stop by a point, I'm going to be salty. Don't, 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 don't. I'm tempted to test the shorts one more time in the 20s. Stop this have to be above like 8 of like pre-market low. I'll let you guys know if I do. I took one shorts entry, but I got stopped out on it. It was up. I just didn't take any profits. It wasn't enough. I'm going to test one more small size of shorts around 820, guys. Higher risk area here. If we pop up to 820 again up here, I'm going to go ahead and give this a small try. With stops above 841. I like our odds if we can break this structure to test 800. Come on, give us sub 800. Give us sub 800. Come on. Come on, give us sub 800. I did try one more piece of shorts, guys. If we go above 841, it's no longer valid. Trying to follow the trend, baby. Give me trend, give me trend. Give my position some trend and give me trend. It's up about 10 points right now. No profit taking for me. I want to see 800. Feel free to manage who you see fit, though. Don't yell at me if we go back to red again. Just giving us no continuation. Come on. Come on. No love from Nasdaqita. $800 does have that dad strength. For real. I don't like these wicks for getting to 800. Up about 10 points right now. I'm keeping my same plan in motion. Still nothing. Still no follow through. Ugh. This is my favorite ad area up here is 23 to 25. If we fail this, or if we end up going to 840, then the setup's no longer valid. We're not going to need follow through it down at 800, so it makes me a little hesitant about the setup. But if we're going to get a lower high, this is the area. If we end up breaking above 840, then I'm out of my position and I'll likely be done. I'll get back yesterday's gains, which is fine. Which is fine, but I'd like to see more downside. I mean, everything looks super solid for it. Low volume on the previous pushes up. Failure to go above the 15-minute high. There's no follow through. No follow through. 2 chances to trim at like 15 points. Just wanted to see a bit more risk reward for me to take any profits. Call in Larry. That 800 just has dad strength, man. I don't like how this setup's looking. We'll see how this 5-minute candle close right there. I don't love that. I don't love that. I'm going to stop this just about break even, guys. I'll look for, if we get some sort of failure of this 15-minute low, we'll look for reentry, but I don't like the setup. I don't like what I'm seeing in the setup at all. So I stopped it slightly red. Don't like what I'm seeing at all there. Don't like what I'm seeing at all. If we end up getting a failure below these levels and some real weakness, we can look for a break of that 800, but right now it doesn't look great. So we're 0 for 1.5 on the day, I'll call it. I don't like the setup, so I cut it slightly red down there. If we end up getting some sort of move below like 807 and some failure down here, then we can look for more shorts, but personally, I don't love it, so. Damn, that actually looks like we might break structure to the upside too. Man, I had 2 times. Both those trades could have, trimmed for 10, 15 points, but just I didn't want to scalp today. I wanted the bigger move. But if you're trying to scalp, it's fine, but getting the smaller ones, I wanted the bigger move. Yeah, take them. You can always fade. I cut just above break even. Slightly red on that trade. I don't like, I made this higher low in here and we failed to break below and hold below that 15-minute low there, so. Yeah, damn, grandma's 1-0 and I'm 0 for 1.5. 0 for 1.25. If you get that break above 840, if you like the longs, you should get a nice move up.
See how I keep rejecting that 840? That's where today's point of control is right now, setting
Is it?
for 840. And the previous day is at 24,802.
Don't.
It's going back and forth between the buying base or resistance.
All right, let's see. It looks like we want to break up on the 840. At 800, it says too much jad strength. The reverse order might work. It failed the first time. Stepping away. All right, Jay Quinn. Thanks for coming to hang today, bro. You're the man. Don't. Oh, whoops. We got ES right at, interesting, the pre-market low and 15-minute low. Technically, ES is still valid. Half-brain crooks. Let's see here. The day that we die, survival of the fittest. It's thinking about it with this 15-minute low, just back and forth. If we get some sort of confirmation to the downside, I'd love to try some more shorts, but not until we get clear confirmation of us selling. This looks like it wants to go down in the 1-minute chart. 5 minutes still a little indecisive. Yep, that's what I'm thinking. Looks like it wants to go down. I know. Lots of fake outs on the way. I still vote down. I still vote down. We'll see how we close this 5-minute candle, though. I don't vote down enough to try it again right here. All right, time to put that forward. Maybe that'll give us something. So your reminder, guys, to choose discipline over dopamine. Trade smart, trade safe, and stay focused. Any trades yet today? Yes, I'm 0 and 1.25. I had one loss and one also a red trade, but I cut it right above my break-even point. Don't want to hear it. That's a feeling.
Try some shorts here everyone on NQ. I'll add some if we're pushing towards 27.
Give it one more try with you. Last try. Last try in shorts for me. We ride or we fall together. Stops above 840.
I will add two more at 2.4825 area. My stop will be above 840, around 842.
I like this area a lot. Don't love, but I like it a lot. Looks like we're just waiting to get a break, and if we break above 840, then setup is not valid, and I'm wrong. Hard stop is at 841. No. Give a nice push down. Come on. Act like you won. Act like you've been here before, NQ. Give it a kiss. Act like you've been here before. Come on. At least below 810. It's been the story of my day today, bro. Just getting 10 to 15 point moves and just nothing. They're not going to do.
I had to come up with short. My average is 821. What I'm not anything.
Like it. I mean, it looks like if you're on screen share, it looks like we want to go, and if we can break this down, we're going to get a nasty move down. Just need to just do it. There we go. There we go.
Please go down.
Blaze, go down, Blaze.
Please keep going down. Please don't be a girl. Please keep going down.
Blaze, keep pushing. Please keep pushing.
Can you guys just call somebody on Wall Street?
Wall Street, sell it all. Let's go, baby. I'm trimming two. I'm trimming two at 800. Come on. Let's go. Nice ad, Grizzly Glock. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about, Team Bull. Come on. Make sure you guys have trimmed. Make sure you guys have trimmed. Come on. We finally got a price target. That's what I'm talking about, baby. That is what I am talking about. Let's go. That ad was money bags from Grizzly Glock. Absolute money bags. I told you we were going to get one, baby. Great job leading the way on that, Grizzly Glock. Let's go. Let's go, baby. My stops are at break even. Actually, we're going to put our stops a little bit in profit. We're going to secure the green day. Oh my gosh, that was money bags. That ad was incredible, Grizzly Glock. Let's go, Team Bull. Y'all catch that trade. I told you we were going to catch a winner. Just passed my second eval with that trade. Thanks, Jdun. You're welcome. Let's go. Let's go. What's up? What's up? What's up? Hey, come on. How are we not at 100 plus likes so far on YouTube? Come on. Oh, we're at 114. Let's get to 200, guys. We got over 500 y'all in here. If you guys like that, if you guys like trades like that, if you guys made some money on that, make sure you guys hit that like button on the YouTube. Come on now. Come on now, baby. Let's go. Come on. That ad was nasty, Grizzly Glock. Ugh. That was awesome, bro. I'm out, made 1,200. Nice. Let's go, baby. That's what I'm talking about. I'm out of this trade too, guys. I'm out of this trade too. I'm stopping this trade, guys. That 800 is just an absolute dad strength menace. Let's go. All right. With all the negativity in the world, Team Bull, let's get some positivity flowing. If you guys made some money, if you guys recovered your losses, if you guys made some money, let me know in the chat. What are we cooking today? If you made money, what are y'all up today? Let me know. Type it in the chat. Let's get some positive energy flowing. Good energy only inside Team Bull. How much y'all up in the morning off those trades? Let's go. We got 550, 767, 1,500. 880, 1300, 452. Let's go. 555. Let's go, baby. 1200, 200, $43. That's all right. Win's a win. 300, 760. Let's go. Come on now. Good energy only. Small losses and big wins. Small losses and.
5,700 on the week with my personal.
Let's go. Money bag Grizz.
Needed, man, for taxes I was paying.
Yeah, right. That quarterly payment's coming up in a few days, bro.
There's gotta be a better way, man.
Let's go, Team Bull. That's great.
I was trying to GameCube, but Alan, if you're a trading,
I'm so cold.
It is cold in here, huh, bro?
I'm freezing, bro. I'm literally shaking.
Hey, Gene, you want to come say hi to everybody?
Sure.
I got to use the restroom. I got to piss like a racehorse.
So cold.
Go say hi to everybody.
Hello, everybody. Is it getting cold in Tennessee yet, Grizzly?
You don't know why? Am I missing? Gene, are you on voice?
Yeah, I'm on voice. Sorry.
Kick my speaker out.
Oh. Is it getting cold out there yet?
Yeah, it's starting to get leaves are starting to fall off.
Oh, wow.
Well, the certain trees are losing leaves. The other ones are starting to change. Like the hardwood,
Yup.
different color.
So in the mountains, our trees always change first.
It's cold.
Out here, it hasn't changed. Yeah, put the heater on, bro.
You like my horse sound? We're riding the Jdun stallion today.
You're a giraffe, not a horse.
I'm a giraffe. All right. Well, you're an armadillo. Bro said I'm a giraffe. I told y'all, look what happened when we put the hat forward. Y'all witnessed magic in real time. I told you guys I'm putting the hat forward. And then what happened? We ended up catching a bag. I'm just saying. Oh, yep. Goodbye, FX. As a reminder, too, I'm going to teach all of my strategies, all of my systems, and everything that you need to know to become a consistent, profitable trader. I'm going to build your whole foundation in my 3-day free masterclass. So make sure all of you guys register now. The link is pinned to my YouTube comments, guys. It says save your seat. Have all you guys registered? Confirm with me y'all have registered in YouTube chat. And if you've been to one of my webinars before, let them know how they are. Because I'll tell you what they are. They're valuable. I understand that your time is valuable, and I'm not here to waste it. So if you're looking to improve your trading, to scale your trading, to stop losing money, to stem the bleeding, make sure you guys tap in and join my free webinar. It's 3 days of pure value on October 6th. Bro, I need a diaper at this point, bro, so I don't have to leave while I'm trading. Someone order me some adult diapers. This market looks like it wants lower. I'm going to just build a toilet seat chair. Yep, and if you're on TikTok, you can DM me on IG to join. So if you DM me on IG, it's Jdun Trades. JDUN Trades on IG. DM me on Instagram and just mention that you're from the live stream and you'd like access to the free masterclass. Oh, it's leg day, Grizzly. It's Wednesday. Come on now. Come on now. Caught the winner. That's what we wanted, bro. We wanted a nice winner and we got it.
It's awesome. That's nice because I went on there.
Yeah, that was a money bags trade. That was perfect. That was great. I knew it was coming, man. I freaking knew it was coming. It's like yesterday, Grizzly. I literally had a morning just like you had yesterday, bro. You noticed that?
Yeah.
I took that loss, and then I stopped at basically break even, a little red in the second one, a few points over, and then caught a banger. It took me 3 tries to get that dang move. Yep. It's true. You just can't let your losers run rabid. Yo, for our prop firm of the day, you guys got to check out some of FFF's new deals. The Funded Futures family has a ton of different options for you. They have an eval to live challenge where you can go straight from eval to having a live account. They have straight to funded, and they have 1 and 2 day pass evals. A ton of different value for you guys. If you guys use code JDUN, you'll get the best possible discount and payout protection if anything comes up. It was the old prop firm I used to own. So I'm going to put that link in chat. You can use code JDUN. Get your funding and trade with me as soon as, well, technically right now. I doubt we take anything else, but FFF is doing a lot of things right. They've paid out nearly $10 million. They're like 9.3 mil so far. They have a lot of good value to trade with. Appreciate y'all supporting your boy. If you click that link or go to fundedfuturesfamily.com and use code JDUN, you'll get anywhere from 30 to 50% off. All right, Frank Dennis. Goodbye. I'll post the link in the what's it called? In the TikTok chat. Fundedfuturesfamily.com. J Don, that's what they call me, baby. Any tips for discipline trading? I have a 60 to 70% win rate, but end up giving it back on one losing day. Well, you have to have an MLO, a maximum loss limit. You need to tell yourself, I will only lose X amount today, and you need to know your risk on each trade before you take it. If you have a defined stop loss and it's set and it's a hard stop, you can't allow yourself to go on tilt because it stops you out on its own, right? Here's the problem, guys. The problem that I see is that traders don't want to set hard stops because it takes away your control of the trade. But you need to understand this, is that you never have control of which way the market goes. You have control of how you manage your risk. So you need to be able to step back and accept the fact that when you have your hard stop set and it gets stopped, that's the market telling you that you were wrong. Your risk is defined. Your trade idea was wrong. Doesn't mean it was bad. Just means it was wrong. And we move on to the next trade. That's what it means. It's not personal. You got to stop taking your losses personal, guys. Got to stop taking your losses personal. It leads to emotion, and emotion leads to bad trading. Why'd I leave FFF? There was an array of reasons, but overall, the biggest reason I left is I didn't want to do it anymore. I sold my equity, built the company, sold it, moved forward. I mean, there was a few reasons, but that was the biggest one. I could have stayed if I wanted to. They're doing great now. You know how profitable prop firms are? They're very profitable because people don't follow their rules. That's why when I tell you, listen, I own a prop firm that's paid out nearly $10 million. When I tell you these things, it's not only from 9 years of trading experience, but it's also from literally being on the internal side of prop firms and seeing the margins, seeing how traders trade, seeing how traders blow up. I've seen all the data. So when I tell you guys to focus on base hits, to set maximum loss limits, to not full port, to not add a bunch of size, it's not for anything except to help you. You know, yes, I have codes with I have codes with FFF. I have a code with Tradeify. I have a code with Apex. But my goal for you isn't to be using that code over and over and trading with prop firms forever. There's a lot of influencers that will tell you that, right? Not me. I want you guys to, obviously, I appreciate you guys supporting me and using code Jdun. You'll get the best possible discount. You'll get payout protection. But the goal from my mentor standpoint is that I want you to get yourself your challenges, learn for less, get paid out, and move that money to a live account. That's what I want you guys to do. I would never start a prop firm again, ever. Nope. Just no. It's just not what I want to do. What do you think is the best prop firm? I mean, it depends what you're looking for. If you're looking for scalability, then Apex. You can always use code Jdun for the best possible discount. You can buy up to 20 accounts at a time. If you're looking for straight to funded, then probably Tradeify. Fastest payouts in the game. If you want to mix the two, then FFF is great. It's cheap. They have a lot of different plans, which is really cool. They have a wide variety of plans you can pick from. And they're getting better every single day. Yeah, Top Step's cool too. I'll never trade with my funded futures ever. I won't have a code. I won't trade with them. Stick with Apex, Tradeify, and FFF. How do you spell the coupon code? Just JDUN, Jdun. You can also use Team Bull a few places too. But Jdun stands for discipline over dopamine. J discipline, baby. They know you're rocking with Team Jdun. They're going to know. Can you pass a Tradeify eval in one day? Yes, on their advanced plan. Actually, no, they're both one-day pass. The advanced and growth are both one-day pass. I'm tripping. They're both one-day pass. Because I'm what? You're in shorts. Oh, because I'm wearing shorts? Oh. Yeah. I got to tell y'all one thing, Team Bull. I'm about finished with this book. And it's been one of the best books I've ever read. It's only 130 pages. Finished it this week. Well, I'm going to finish it probably tonight or tomorrow. But The Four Agreements by Don Ruiz. This book is absolutely incredible. I don't speak on books that highly much, but it's a very simple read. The four agreements are: be impeccable with your word, don't make assumptions, always do your best, and don't take things personally. If you can implement those 4 things in your life, it will automatically become better. Inherently become better. There's no way your life does not improve when you implement those things. It's literally one of my favorite books. It's Tom Brady's favorite book, actually. Yup. I see why it's Tom Brady's favorite book. It's amazing. Yo, let's go, Siam. I'm up 19.9K. I'm up $20,000 this month and have taken several payouts since. Blessed to be a part of Team Bull. I have lost thousands before, and slowly I am learning to be disciplined. I still slip sometimes, but better risk management than before for sure. Let's go. That's dope. I do have a code for Tradeify. It's code Jdun. JDUN at checkout. That's my discount code for Tradeify, Apex, and FFF. I appreciate you guys using it more than you know. I will always do my best, like today, like yesterday, like the past 3 months, to help you guys make money, learn, trade with confidence, and get paid out. I also appreciate you guys if you're on TikTok hitting that follow button in the top left corner. User 136, just trade with Tradeify or Apex, bro. ApexTraderFunding.com or Tradeify.co. I am from Nebraska. Lincoln. Yes, sir. Corn fed. That's how I ended up 6'7". Trading in the Zone is a great book, too. That's the only downside of Tradeify straight to fund it is there is a consistency rule. There is. Yep. Hey, what did I ask of you guys yesterday? What did I ask of y'all yesterday, Team Bull? I asked you to do something positive for yourself. Did you guys listen? Did everyone do something positive for themselves yesterday? I'm talking to you. Went to the chiropractor so I can get back in the gym. That's positivity. Yep. Read 5 pages of a book. Pray. Go to the gym. Eat a healthy meal. Got a good workout in. Nice. You read your pages. Yep. Nice. Damn, look at us falling now. Mike's cutting in and out. It shouldn't be. Yes, been getting up every day to learn more about trading with Jdun. That's awesome. Hectify. That makes me really happy, bro. That's dope. You had my heart. She's moving. That's what I thought was coming. That's what I thought was coming.
Finally.
Do I speak Spanish? No mames. That's the extent of where it goes. I'm not saying anything that you tell me, Gene. You're gonna leave. You're gonna make me say some dumb shit.
No, he's an artist. You gotta play this song after you take it out.
This 800 has dad strength, bro. I'm telling you. Mariachi?
Kinda, yeah. Taco Bell music.
Taco Bell music? Just checked right now. Just passed my funded account. So blessed to have you, bro. Tony, that's amazing, bro. God bless. That's amazing. That makes me so happy. Absolute beast mode. Woo! Baidu. I haven't traded Baidu, any of the China names for a while. It's moving today, though. It's really moving today. Damn. Had a gap up overnight. Can we get one good morning on PA? I thought today was pretty good. What's a fair budget to start trading? I recommend you start with a funded account. You can start for as little as like $50. Use code Jdun with Apex or Tradeify. Shut your face. Happy Wednesday to you too, bro. God bless you, my bro. Just for that, I'm going to open my face way more. I'm going to double open my face. Hey, my Top Step's getting there. I got a $4,000 payout, and I'm getting closer to my next one. Don't know what's gold doing today. Is it moving? Gold's not moving today. Why'd you put a rocket? Yo, as a reminder, guys, if you want access to our free Discord, or if you want access to my free 3-day masterclass, make sure you DM me on Instagram at Jdun Trades. Gene and I met. When did we meet, Gene? That's crazy. You slid in my DMs, huh? He was in Team Bowl. The only place that I answer DMs is on Instagram, guys. It's the only place. Gene was in Team Bowl, and then we just became homies over the years. Had a lot of the same values. He's stupid. It's 800 as dad strength. They should break it down. Bust it down, baby. We'll go to Monday lows. That's the draw. We'll see. It might. It very well could. Yo, as a reminder, Team Bowl, make sure you guys are all signed up for my 3-day free masterclass. If your trading is not where you want it to be, if you're looking to come in every day and do less guessing and more winning, make sure you guys join. I'll put the link in the chat right now. I like that. Stop guessing and start winning. Do I like buys? Honestly, I don't. If anything, I like sells. I like shorts. What's the strategy that I trade? I trade a mixture of price action, VPA, and key levels. I don't trade ICT. I don't trade I can't trade. That's what ICT stands for, right? Is I can't trade. That'll get some engagement in the chat. That'll rile them up. The thing is, ICT just makes things so complicated. Like, yeah, I trade fair value gaps, but it doesn't have to be a fair value gap at equilibrium of the axis of the pi of the third, level. Like, it's so damn complicated. I trade price action. I manage my risk. That's what I do. I think that ICT can work for some people. I just think that it gets very overcomplicated. That's what I think. I mean, you guys see how I trade every day. You basically get a free masterclass every day you join me for live trading. I don't mean that in an arrogant way. It's true. You get to watch me execute and trade in real time. You get to learn patience. You get to learn discipline. If you're having trouble putting all the pieces together, you need to be at my October 6th free masterclass. It's 3 days long, October 6th, October 7th, and October 8th. If you're having trouble putting all the pieces together, you guys got to be there. Clear your calendar for those 3 evenings. How'd you do? For each? So 3,000? Nice. $3,000 day from Gene. $3,000 day from Mr. Gene. That's what I'm talking about. Yes, sir, Mr. Genie. Yeah, make sure you guys tap in too. I'm going to spend some time today going through my Instagram DMs, making sure everyone gets their link. My Instagram is JDUN Trades. If you guys have any questions about trading, about joining the free Discord, about joining the free masterclass, the only place I answer DMs is on IG. JDUN Trades, 263K followers. Verified. So just go to your Instagram, go to the search bar, type in JDUN Trades, and you'll see my profile pop up. Damn, look at that move down. That's what I thought. We had the right idea today. The whole day we had the right idea. The whole day. You can access by hitting that pinned comment, bedtime sounds. You see where it says Jdun Trades, save your seat in YouTube? Click that and then register for the 3-day masterclass. Even if you can't make it one of the days or you can't make it any of the days, you'll get the recording afterwards. Though I recommend you be there live. You'll retain better live. You'll learn more live. That's facts. It's been studied over and over again. I think about it over and over again. I think about it over and over again. Cause NQ's all in my head. I think about it over and over again. I'll short the market till I can't comprehend how much money I'm making. You guys like my song? Or should I stick to trading? Grandma was right today. Damn, is this going to be the reversal?
It could be.
It's kind of looking like it in the 5 minute. We'll see. See it? That was yesterday's low. It was yesterday's low.
I had it marked out.
Bro, I drink Mountain Valley spring water every day.
You drink Mountain Dew every day.
Mountain Dew is horrible, bro. A normal size, what's it called? Container, not container. Bottle of Mountain Dew has like 70 grams of sugar. It's insane. It's horrible. Processed sugar is absolutely horrible. There's no positives whatsoever besides cheap dopamine. Besides those, and don't ask me what I think about alcohol and weed because you won't like the answer. Don't ask me about it. You won't like the answer of what I tell you. Bro is judgmental. No, I'm just honest. And you could call me judgmental. I mean, you do what you want. I'm just saying I don't think there's any benefits to alcohol. And I think weed is a drug. I think that a lot of people abuse it, and a lot of people would be better off not smoking pot every day. I just do, you know? A lot of people use it to self-medicate. You can smoke all the weed you want. Doesn't mean I think it's going to be good for you. You know? That's your choice. It's your life, not mine. I'm just saying my life improved 100x. Now I get it. You know, if you have cancer or glaucoma or horrible joint pain or PTSD, I get it. You know, there's times where I think weed can be a net positive. But a lot of people smoke literally every day and they get lazy and they stop working out or they're not living to their full potential. You can't tell me, right, if you look at yourself and barring medical issues, right, how is your life better smoking a bunch of weed versus not? What helps my anxiety? Well, then, you know, face your anxiety in the face. Look in the mirror. Take positive actions for tough dopamine. Go to the gym. Eat a healthy diet. Get more sunshine. Take better vitamins. You know, there's no argument that someone can give me that says their life is significantly better and they're more productive and more successful because they smoke weed. That's all I'm saying. You smoke as much weed as you want. I smoke more weed than you could probably imagine back in the day. I'm just saying that's my take. I don't think it's a net positive for most people. Hey, if I wasn't honest with you, then you know that I wouldn't want you to be here for the wrong reasons. I'd rather be hated for being real than loved for being fake. You get what I'm saying? I used to be the dab master, bro. You don't understand. I was smoking like 7 to 10 G's a day. Just even if you're sitting here, even if you're smoking a blunt listening to me, like, I still rock with you, bro. You know, I'll still help you to the best of my ability. I'm just saying, I don't think it's a net positive for people to smoke pot every day. I just don't. I think we can agree to disagree, right? We can have honest conversation. You can be rolling one up, shit. You know, I don't. You can roll 3 up. I don't think it's going to put you in a better spot in your life a few hours from now, but that's your decision. And see, Gabriel, that's fine. You know, maybe one day you'll be like, you know, I'm gonna cut this out. I'm gonna give sobriety a try. Smoking every day is scientifically not good for you. I mean, I agree. There's no benefits long term. People say, well, what about alcohol? Well, what about it? Alcohol is not great either. Well, what about moderation? Well, I think moderation is great for a lot of things. I'm just saying there's no positives to gassing up every day. You feel me? That's all I'm saying. And I agree, you know, Ryan, from an overdose standpoint, obviously you're not going to overdose on pot, right? You're just not going to. As far as your body goes, your physical health, alcohol is significantly worse. But in terms of your productivity, your mental state, you know, you almost look at it from an angle of some people are functioning alcoholics, which is never a good thing. But some people get to the point where they smoke so much pot, I was one of them, that they just go through life high. And, you know, then it's kind of like vaping, right? In a sense, you can vape anywhere and everywhere. That's why I also have the take. I mean, I don't partake in nicotine, and this is going to get the crowd riled up. I think that tobacco at its core is safer than new age vapes. I don't use nicotine regardless, but I think looking at all the facts, I'd rather ingest and smoke tobacco than I would ingest chemicals. Smoke vaporized chemicals. I mean, there's just no positives from that, you know? And it's so easy. It's so convenient. Like they got the Juul pods and the mango and the fruit punch and whatever the hell flavors are nowadays. And I could be sitting here puffing it. You ain't going to light up tobacco in your house? That was a tough one to quit. I quit nicotine 6 years ago. Was it 2018? 7 years ago. That was tough. That was one of the hardest things I ever had to quit. I mean, I was smoking a Juul pod and a half a day. I was on a pod and a half a day. I was ripping those puppies. I thought it was very tough, but I had an addictive personality towards nicotine. It all depends on your personality. Like quitting alcohol for me wasn't that tough because I never had an addictive personality towards alcohol. I've been sober for almost 17 months now, since May 6th or May 5th of 2024. That being said, alcohol wasn't a tough quit for me because I was never an alcoholic. Nicotine was a tough quit because I love nicotine. I used to smash me some Juul pods. How long did it take you to become a profitable trader? I mean, I've been trading for 9 years. It took me at least, I think 3 years in, I started semi-making money. 4 years in, I was doing pretty good. But again, time... What? Oh, well, look at that reversal. Time is such a subjective figure when it comes to becoming a profitable trader. Because what took me 3 years might take you a year. In my first 3 years, I didn't really take it seriously a lot of the time. I would show up some days, not show up others. I'd buy a course, I'd watch half of it, I'd stop. I didn't treat it like a business. I treated it like a hobby. And if you want to become a profitable trader faster, you have to treat it like a business. You have to be all in. You have to do your best every single day. I wasn't doing my best every single day. I was treating it like a hobby. You can't treat trading like a hobby if you want to become profitable and if you want to become profitable fast. That volume's kind of sketchy on that 5-minute candle up, though.
I think we're going to pop up in a push back
Think so? Yep, code Jdun, Jay Swizzle. I appreciate you, bro. The support means a lot. I always appreciate you guys using code Jdun when you're trading with these prop firms. Get your payouts, get your experience, move to live account. That's what I want you guys to do. Bro, I worked a lot of jobs on my way up. I mean, you guys got to remember, I come from nothing, so I've built everything that I've gotten. And God's blessed me with that ability too. I delivered for Jimmy John's for a few years. That was my favorite job. I worked sheet metal, HVAC. That sucked. That job sucked, bro. Oh my gosh, that job sucked. I worked at a call center for selling newspapers. I was a call center representative. Would you like to buy the newspaper? Would you like to buy the Sunset Gazette that is on sale for $19.99 today? Please sign up for the Sunset Gazette. I need money. That was me selling the newspapers. It's my Rolls Royce truck. I did plasma 2 times, dude, and I hate needles. Mind you, I say that as someone who's all yadded up. I hated doing it in plasma, but I needed money, so I did it. Yo, Jeff, that's amazing. $1,700 payout. Jeff said, used your code. My 8th payout so far. $1,700 from Apex. Let's go. Man, I love seeing y'all. I love seeing y'all get your payouts. That's dope. That is very, very cool. When you use code Jdun with Apex, you get payout protection. I understand people say, oh, well, does Apex pay out this or that? Yes, they do. You just have to follow the rules. The rules are not easy. You follow the rules, you'll get paid out. And especially if you use code Jdun, they're going to know that I'm going to be asking questions. They know I have a large following, over 1 million+ people. If there's ever any issues, I'm going to reach out to upper management. If you're listening to me on this live, each and every one of you guys better be registered for my 3-day masterclass. Does CSL Plasma have a Jdun code? No, I never want people to go there. Look at that, baby. Look at that. Look at that payout, everybody. $1,700 for my boy Jeffrey. $1,700 for my boy Jeffrey, baby. If you guys want to trade with Apex, the prop firm that just paid him out $1,700, I'll post the link as well. You can use code Jdun for the best possible discount. I just posted it in the YouTube chat. I will pin it as well. That's the prop firm that just paid him out. Oh, whoops. I just paid him out $1,700. I just pinned it in the YouTube comment. You guys can go there, use code Jdun. You can buy up to 20 accounts at a time. Get yourself a funded account. What's the goal after you make a ton from live accounts? Freedom? Consistency? The thing you have to understand, what is very important to understand, is you don't just become profitable and stay profitable forever. There has been so many traders in history that have made money for 1, 2, 3 years and then lost it all. Your job is to come in every single day and to manage risk. Every single day you have to come in and choose discipline over dopamine. You have to build a good foundation. You have to build good habits. I want you guys to be making money for the next decade, not for a year and then blowing it. That starts with living a disciplined life, having good, sound habits, having a solid system to follow, and showing up and managing risk every single day. You do those things, you're going to be in a good spot. Nice job, Stanley. Good funded. Damn, Gene, we popped up. Now we're dipping. See if we keep going. I got about 2 more minutes, then I'm going to mob off, everybody. Got about 2 minutos. 2 minutos. As a reminder, guys, my most active platform is Instagram. If you guys ever want to have a conversation, ask me any questions. If you're looking for a mentor, you can always DM me on Instagram at Jdun Trades. What trading strategy do you use? I trade price action. I trade a very simple strategy. I keep it very simple. You want to learn my strategy? Come to my 3-day free masterclass. It's 3 days of pure value. I'm going to turn you into a fundamentally sound trader in just 3 days, October 6th, 7th, and 8th. The name of the book I'm reading is The 4 Agreements by Don Miguel Ruiz. Miguel. Isn't that your cousin, Gene? You literally have like 100 cousins. Great book. Oh, the class is free. It's $0.00. If you'd like access to the class, if you're on the TikTok, you can click on my profile picture, go to my TikTok profile, and it's in the link in my bio. If you're on YouTube, you can go down to the description. And if you can't find either, you can DM me on Instagram at Jdun Trades. JDUN Trades. Mention that you're from the live stream and you'd like access to the free masterclass. You got it, Derek. You're welcome. It's crazy. We put on the glasses and we put on the hat forward and just started printing. Hat forward, glasses on, printing. Oh, I circled that wick on the string, so I was identifying a potential high or low. All right, y'all. I'm going to be mobbing off soon. Make sure if you guys haven't already, if you're new here on TikTok, you hit that follow button in the top left corner. I trade live every single day. Every morning I'm on here 15 minutes prior to market open. All you have to do is open your app, click on my profile, or go to your following, and you'll see me live. Appreciate the follow, Mackenzie, Ashley. Appreciate the follows, everybody. Lean. Alafa. Appreciate you guys all following. It means the world. Chino. Also on YouTube, I appreciate y'all subscribing. I'm live on YouTube every morning as well at Jdun Trades if you want full screen share. Appreciate you guys following, supporting. I will always do my best to help you make money and fulfill your goals with your trading every single day. So God bless y'all. I'm gonna get out of here. Nice day trading. I had 1 loss to start, 1 break even, and then 1 really nice win. So we win some, we lose some. We keep our winners bigger than our losers, and we always manage our risk and get better every single day. So appreciate y'all following. If you have any other questions, you can DM me. You can send me a message on Instagram at Jdun Trades, and I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. God bless and have a great day. Peace, everybody. Thank you for being here. Deuces.